I have a December daily kit for sale. This one has a couple of collections. This one has Comfort and Joy from My Mind's Eye, and you'll be getting these die cuts here. These are really fun. I love them. And the other collection that you're going to be that goes really well with this collection, I believe, is the Hot Cocoa collection. So you'll be getting some of that paper, not all of it, just I tried to pick out ones that would match this line. So getting that, and then you'll also be getting this sequin mix here, which has brown, black, red, and green. And I'll just open it so you can kind of see what's inside. And Christmas trees, there's some deer, there's black sequins, red sequins, green sequins, and then there's all these little different shaped sequins in there, and red and green as well. So you'll be getting some of that. And then also for the December daily, you have to have numbers, and this one is number 25. Some of them say spill it out 23, some say have the number 24, so they're all a little different. This one says number 1, there's 2, 3, number 19, so they're all just a little bit different. And again, this one is 25. It says Merry Christmas. So you get 1 through 25. And then you'll be getting some of these strips here. And again, you can use these for like punches, or just to have borders in your December daily if you'd like. So there's all different kinds. Some of them are double-sided, some of them are not. The Comfort and Joy collection doesn't have any cut aparts, so that's why you'll be getting a bunch of these. And they're also glittered as well. So these are just the cut aparts from the Hot Cocoa collection, and it's just the one sheet here. And I thought this would be cute if you want to journal on the back, or just have them in your album somewhere. That you can use for backing your photos on, and some of them are only one-sided, and then some are double-sided. So you can use pick and choose either side, and some fun ones in there. A few more, which these are a little bit larger, so you can have a 4x6 photo on here if you like, or a 3x5, and just kind of use these for more of your photo mats if you wish. And again, some of them do not have double-sided paper, so. And I like that this one has the traditional Christmas colors. Those kind of collections are some of my favorite. I do have one with the pastel collection though, which I am saving that for a December daily one year. But I do like the traditional colors. And then you'll also be getting one of these sticker sheets. It's really pretty. Get one of those. Some die cut pieces here. getting some of the wood pieces here on the back. This little clip here, really cute little snowflake. I'm not going to take everything out, but you will be getting some word stickers behind here. It says Happy Holidays, Cheers, Season's Greetings. You'll also be getting some twine, and there's also some tags. I guess I can take out a few of them. You'll be getting this cute little gingerbread house, some tags. It says do not open until December 25th. Another tag. These are some Christmas tree. There's a couple bells. There's some gingerbread stickers, some stars, and then some candy canes in there as well. And here is the Traveler's Notebook, December Daily, little album, whatever you like to use for this. It could even just be a Christmas album, or you could use it as a Christmas vacation album. So there's many different ways you can use this. I use the black elastic, and then some of the sheets you will be getting just like a brown sheet here, and that's when you can kind of add your own paper to it if you like, kind of make it your own, add some of the fun die cuts if you'd like. And then there's the other side of that one. There's the other side of that one. And then you will also be getting, which I forgot to include, you'll be getting the little pocket here that you can put in the front or in the back. Totally up to you, but I will make sure there is a pocket in here. So that is the December Daily Kit. I will have all the prices and information down below. I'm asking US only and PayPal through friends and family. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.